All right, so this is Plug In Baby by Muse. Got this great intro riff. It's going to start 8 and 9 on the D, down to 6 on the G. Repeats those same notes. Goes to the 7, back to the 9. So it's... Six, 7, 9. Check out the free downloadable tabs for this one. It's going to be real helpful. So here we go. 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 7, 9. That's the first measure. Next measure. So 6, 7, 9 on the G. 7, 8, 7 on the B. 9, 7, 6 going back that G. So these first two measures. 3, 4. Now we're going to start on the 9 on the D. Okay, so that measure is 9 on the D, 6, 7, back to the 9, and then 6, 7, 9, 6 on the G. So it's starting on the 9 on the D. Then we're going to go 7, 9, 7 on the second string, 7, 8, 7. We're bringing in that kind of flat fifth, that 10 on the G to the 7 on the B, back to the 10. So starting on the 9, these two measures are... Okay, next measure, down a D chord. 7 on the second, 3rd and 4th, to the 9 on the A. So it's... Go straight up the same notes. Take that 9, kind of hold it, and then half step up and down. That 7, 10, 7 thing again. 7, 6, 7 on the G. So from this D chord, 7, 6, 7. Okay, and then it starts again. Okay, let's try that again, nice and slow. First two measures, 3, 4. And then the one that starts on 9, 3, 4. And then the D chord arpeggio. Let's try that, 3 and 4 and... Okay, so in the beginning of the song, that whole thing goes twice, and then here's the ending to this. So it's just like the beginning, but it ends on that 9 on the D string. Okay, so this whole beginning, 3, 4. Ending. Okay, so it did the main thing, I'm calling part A, twice through, and then has an ending to it. Okay, and then in the verse, he just sings for a while. So there's some fills halfway through the second verse. They're really high up here. It's hard to reach on this guitar, but it'd be like 17, 19, 19 to make a D chord. But you want to get them to like ring out with each other, and it's hard to get that one up there. You could go 10, 11, 12 over here, from the B string down to the D. Now when we have the 17, 19, 19, it would go up to 18, 19, 18, and then up one, 19, 20, 19 for the next one, the G chord, back to the D chord, 17, 19, 19. Okay, hard to reach them on that one. Then we get into a pre-chorus, which is going to be 9th fret of the A string. So we're going to add that 10 on the last of these, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we add the 11 to the G string. Do 8 of those. Okay, so we got... Got 2 bars of that G, B minor, F sharp minor, back to G, 2 measures, B minor. Now the F sharp minor is going to have a sharp 5, 3rd fret, 2nd string for half of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So have it in on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string for 4 of them and out for the other 4. Back to G. B minor to F sharp minor again. Back to G twice. Now this G, the last one, is going to kind of pop open the last 4 to have opens on the bottom. So can't really hear it much, but into a D with an A bass. Okay, so if we go from all those chorus chords again, we had the pre-chorus build up. Chorus. Okay, so that was just once through that whole A thing with the ending attached to it. Then we're into a new verse. Now the new verse is going to start with fills right away. Got 17, 18, 19. And then you can start that 17, 19, 19 for the D. Into the 18, 19, 18. Up another one. Back to the D. We got our pre-chorus. Chorus again. B minor. F sharp minor. G. B minor. F sharp minor. Raise 5. Okay, and then we're into the... Now at this point he's doing that riff, but he's still singing. And so he has a rhythm guitar that comes in. This is called the refrain. F sharp, G, D. Repeat. So as those chords are going, he's still playing this riff in the studio version. Might be just playing the chords live, not sure. Okay, at that point, we're getting to the outro, so he stops the singing and the riff takes over, and the chords that were behind it stop. That takes us to a cool live trick. So he'll do a bigger trill on that besides just a hammer-on pull-off, so it's... So, kind of just does a quicker thing in there and makes it real cool. So when those two are done and those chords are happening and stuff and he's singing still, we got one more where they get back to a trio setting. Plug-In Baby by Muse, Matt Bellamy on guitar. Great stuff. Excellent band. Hope you like that. 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon. Peace out.